Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel, and welcome back from Chinese New Year holidays. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do a research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the commodities market update. Overnight soybean oil March month contracts rose 0.4 points to close higher at 46.51. The China commodities market remained closed in observance of the Chinese New Year, and the trading set to resume on February 5th of February, meaning on tomorrow's. Malaysia compound futures rose for the fifth consecutive sessions on Monday, boosted by a stronger Chicago soy oil and higher crude oil prices. The FCPO April month contract rose 78 points to close higher at 4,367. Palm oil price continued to hover within downward channels and reaching the resistance range at around 4410 to 4415 before pulling back, and we maintain neutral outlooks for the current formations. Our strategy remains buy on retracement with the support identified in the 4360, the nearest support, and 4365 range. A breakup, and also if the markets could hovering at this range and supported, then we might see a buying opportunities. If break out the resistance again, we might see further highs. It's likely potentially moving towards 4440 or higher, which is the crucial resistance in a quite a longer period time frame. Conversely, if failed to break above this area, then we might see the selling opportunities to present, leading the price to trade back within these downward channels, and we might see retracement buys opportunities. And if 4360 level unable to hold, we might see another support range is around 4315 to 20 range over here. Here might be the crucial support for the upside built since a few days ago. Yeah, so just beware of any sentiment change. So for the call on this morning sessions, our plans will be long position may be open above 4364 with the target to set at 4391 to 4415 and a stop loss at 4344. Alternatively, short positions will be open below 4364 with the target to set at 4343. And the next one is 4319 and a stop loss to set at 4384. Okay, so next we're shifting our focus to the index market. The overnight Dow Jones dropped 122 points to close lowers at 44421. Major stock indexes in US closed lower on Monday but recovered some losses after US President Trump delayed the tariff on Mexico. And FEMA ended lower on Monday, minoring the losses in regional markets as concern over a potential global trade war escalated following US President Donald Trump's broad tariff measure. FKLI February month contracts dropped 3.5 points to close lower at 1553.5 on yesterday's sessions. The FKIs in the daily charts trading below the support line of the downward channels. The support line is spotted at 1553 to 1555 zone over here. So now it's acting as an immediate resistance range. So signaling a bearish outlooks with a sell on rebounds being the main strategies at the moment. And however, the recent sellings likely to spark some technical buying. And we can see yesterday the price reaching the lowest at around 1537 and forming a double bottoms. We might see the temporarily technical buying, and if the index able to break above 1553 to 1555 and trading further highest, we might see the rebound likely to reaching the middles of the if this is a sideways consolidation, the middle of the sideways consolidation likely to sit at 1560 to 61. If the price reaching this level and able to break above, then we might see the selling opportunity coming into these levels and come down against. So at the moment, the market is in hourly chart, we see this wide range of the sideways consolidations. So temporary, there will be a technical buyings, but just need to be aware that if the sentiment remains bearish, then we might see the price not able to break above 1553 to 1555 range and likely to trade within this range with the support to looking at 1548 to 47 over here. Yeah. So overall picture still remains on the downside bias for the FKI index. So here's our view, and we wraps up the analysis. Keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.